Welcome back. This is Architect Jonas in Legend Architects. In this episode, I'll teach you how to make do displaced levels in Revit 2024. So without much ado, let's get into it. So I saw this on the internet and was like, can this be done in Revit? I was like, yeah, sure, it's fine. So let's learn how to do it. Okay, so to start everything, what we do is doing the 2D elevation here. And then to do that, we have to make sure those things are hidden. So select this one and then you can add happy gold. Exactly. And hide all the things as well. First, you don't need them. Okay, so now let's with only this. So let's make things very real big. So let's do it 3 lines. Okay, so basically. So now what you want to do again is on the section here, and let's make things on the earth. Okay. This side is okay. But this is not what we want. So what again do we want? Right click here, you choose orange view, and then hit on GFP. Okay. So these are ground floor, and this is the view we expected or we want. Okay, so let's come here, right click here, and let's duplicate this view and rename it to follow one. Go back to the same view, right click here, and then I want to view and then choose first floor. First floor. And what you want to do is see it very well, hit on home on the keyboard or hit it. Okay, and just like what we did earlier, do the same thing. And again, back, I want to view the same thing, and your roof. This is not here. This is how I want it to be. Let's do the same thing again. Let's rename this to color. Let's comment. So let's change the color of this to something like something blue. And hit on home or it's here to allow do the same thing with this one as well. And same thing with this one. Okay. Now let's hide the section because we don't need it. It's a make our work look very unpleasant. Let's hide this one. Now this is what it has become of it. Okay. So now if you have a sheet, you load in your sheet. If you don't have a sheet, well, you do one. Let's put here sheet and new sheet, new sheet. Let's load in our sheet. So this let's use AA. Very good. So what you do next is you just have to click and drop. Click this one, which is first one. And then you just the second one to the same thing. And the third one to the same thing. So now when you are done, hide the sheet because we don't need them anymore. And we don't also need the titles. Select all of them and just choose more from the pop-up menu. With the pop-up and the click, choose your detail line and let's make our line center lines. And this. So there is it at the end. There is what we have. This is what we have at the end. As you can see, this is used for presentations and all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's helped us out a lot. So we meet again from the videos.